Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn this beautiful wing eyeliner. It will literally take 2 minutes and let's get started. I am taking Revolution gel liner and a flat angled brush, and I'm going to create a line in my outer corner slowly and bring it towards the middle of my eyelid. You can go as slow as you want to have control. We are using gel liner because gel liner provides a lot of versatility and you are able to control it more than liquid liner. And then using the angle brush, I'm just tracing along my eyelid with small strokes. Wherever I think the line is not equal or it's looking like out of like the place or it's looking a little bit thin or thick, I am just balancing it using this flat angled brush. And remember, you have to create small strokes. But today, for the outer side, for the inner side of the eyelid, I am not using gel liner. I wanted to do something different. I went in with this golden eyeshadow from Morphe Star palette, and using angled brush, I'm just packing the eyeshadow over the lid. Now, when I'm packing it, I'm trying to blend it slowly as well. Blend as in you're just spreading the shadow a little bit, not a lot, because I still want to give that liner look. And then with the gel liner, I am using it in my lower lash, and I try to create inner corner as well. You can see it is super easy. And then with the concealer, I'm cleaning up the outer side of my liner, and I am curling my lashes. This eyeliner is absolutely easy. You can wear it in party as well if you're a beginner to eye makeup and you don't want to go with a lot of different looks. I hope this video was helpful, and if you love this video, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.